Good morning, students. In previous class, we studied about the wastewater and about the wastewater treatment plant. So let's continue the remaining part of this chapter. Our next topic is how can we become an active citizen in the disposal of waste. Student, the waste generation is a natural part of human activity, but we can limit the types of waste and quantity of waste produced. But there is a open drain is there, so the situation is worse in the rainy season when the drains start overflowing. So we can become an active citizen, and we should approach the municipality or the gram panchayat and insist them to cover the open drains. And if the sewage of any particular house is there and they makes the neighborhood dirty, so we should request them to be more considerate about others health. अगर नेबरहुड में कोई ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे गंदगी है, तो हमको लोगों को बोलना चाहिए कि उनको दूसरों की हेल्थ के बारे में भी सोचना चाहिए एंड वेस्ट मटेरियल को प्रॉपर वे में डिस्पोजल करना चाहिए. So how can be the disposal is better in a house? So we can say we must minimize and we can manage waste at our house before its disposal. So the cooking oil and fat should not be thrown down to the drains because they can harden and they can block the pipes. So in an open drain, the fat flow and the soil pores are reducing its effectiveness in filtering water. So we should throw oil and fat in the dustbin. Some chemicals like paint, solvent, insecticide, motor oil, medicines, they may kill microbes that help in purifying water. So we should not throw them in a drain. Use tea leaves, solid food remains, soft toys, cotton, sanitary towels. They should also be thrown in the dustbin. Because these waste also clog the drains and they do not allow free flow of oxygen, and this hampers the degradation process. So we must be minimize and manage waste at our house before its disposal. Our next topic is sanitation and disease. So that if there is a poor sanitation and if there is a contaminated drinking water, it cause ऑफ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ डिजीज़. अगर सैनिटेशन जो है वो सही नहीं होगा एंड वाटर जो है वो भी कंटेमिनेटेड है, तो क्या होगा, डिजीज़ जो है होंगी वो बहुत सारी डिजीज़ स्प्रेड हो जाएगी. सो इट इज़ वेरी अनहेल्दी फॉर आवर हेल्थ. स्टूडेंट, नाउ many people of our country they defecates in the open, and the untreated human excreta is a health hazard. It may cause water pollution and soil pollution. By this the surface water and the groundwater get polluted, and the groundwater is the source of water for the wells, tube wells, springs and many rivers. So it becomes the most common route for waterborne disease, and the waterborne disease are cholera, typhoid, polio, meningitis, hepatitis and dysentery, meningitis. Sorry. So if the untreated human etc. is in an open area, we can say it is a big health hazard because it is the source of many disease. So there is an alternative arrangement for sewage disposal. So to improve sanitation, low cost on-site sewage disposal system are encouraged. For example, we can use septic tanks, chemical toilets, composting pits. So septic tanks are suitable for the place where there is no sewage system, for hospital, isolated building or a cluster of 4 to 5 houses. Some organizations also offer hygienic on-site human waste disposal technology, and these toilets do not require scavenging. And excreta from the toilet seat, it is flow through covered drains into a biogas plant, and the biogas produced is used as a source of energy. And there is a vermi processing toilets is also. So what is vermi processing toilet? So in the vermi processing toilets, human excreta is treated by earthworm in a pit, and the earthworm usually eat up all organic matter that is present in a human excrete, and it turn into a compost. So we can say there are low water use toilets for the safe processing of human. Student, we should also do sanitation at a public place. You know that in our country there are so many fairs are organized and a large number of people participate in the fair. In the same way, on a railway station, on bus depots, airport, hospital, they are very busy place and thousands of people visit them daily. So large number of wastage generate. So it must be disposed of properly, otherwise there will be epidemic, that is epidemic could break out. So it is our duty that we can contribute in maintaining sanitation at a public place. We should not scatter litter anywhere. If there is no dustbin, we should carry the litter home and throw it in the dustbin. अगर किसी भी पब्लिक प्लेस पे डस्टबिन नहीं है तो आप अपना जो भी लिटर है, जो भी गार्बेज है, उसको अपने साथ लाके आप डस्टबिन में उसको डिस्पोज कर सकते हो. So student, we all have a role to play in keeping our environment clean and healthy. We must realize our responsibility in maintaining the water sources in a healthy state, and adopting good sanitation practice should be our way of life. So it is not a one person duty, it is a duty of all the citizens. So we can say a lot can be done if people work together, and there is a great power in a collective action. So student, our chapter is complete. I hope you understood this chapter. So student, read this chapter.